Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add long video story on Messenger. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the option Create Story at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply select the large video. I can select this video. After selecting the video, you can just simply tap on save. You can just simply add a video to your story for a 30 seconds or a minute. So you can now tap on save, and after this and after adding a video to your messenger story, you can adding this video, but at that time you will add the next part of the video, and this is the way you can add long video in messenger story. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.